Hello. Well, I've been nagging Chris to do this. He said, right, sod it, Lou. You do it. So, I'm going to do a tour of our gold apartment. This is the outside. We're upstairs. We're on number 117 Waves Court, the Keys. And we've got Kieran running off. I will get round to doing this tour, promise you. Daddy's going getting Daddy to the rescue. Come on, Daddy, quick, go. Right, as we walk in, this is the hallway. There's Connor. He's having a cool shower in a minute when I've done my tour. He's waiting patiently. He needs to cool off. He's been playing out. Right, first bedroom. Just as you walk in from the front door, you have your first bedroom. You've got two twin beds. Nice little picture on wall. Nice colour. Wardrobe. Curtains to match. Double coat hangers. Two drawers. And we've got this. We've had to get hire a carry cot. It costs £10. We had to fetch our own bed in, but I've used a pillar, one of Butlins pillars. Okay, Connor's been locked out. You've been locked out, Connor. Come on, quickly. Try to do this tour. Night, mate. Look at that tan he's got. Gorgeous hair. Right. Second bedroom. So, as you see, two twin beds. Oh, wardrobe. Curtains to match. Bedside cabinet drawers. Basically says it, look, there's me. Yeah. Clothes. My mum's lovely suitcase. That's our bucket spade, by the way, but somewhere to hang your coats. This is the best bit. Just walk in. You've got a dining table there. As you can see, it is being lived in. This is like our third day now. There's the kitchen. How brill's that? You have cooker, hob. You've got all your... You've got a toaster up there. You've got all your stuff you need. You definitely need the glasses for the wine. Under the sink. You've got all your pans and stuff for cooking if you're self-catering. Got these. And a little sponge. We've got a bit of washing up. Don't know why we've got them, because there is a dishwasher. Wow. And I do not know how to use it. There's a microwave. Kettle. And look at this. How cool is that? Hey. It's not very nice, the coffee, but it'll do. I might have tea. We'll see. So there's the table. Dining room. Bin. Fridge. The fridge is great. Great size. Got a little freezer at the top. Also, ours is empty though. There's just drinks in here. By the way, that's just reminding me I need some milk. Pram's not included, that's ours. Right, you can tell Chris has been lied on here. Look at state that. It's just moved that pillar quick and I missed it. Right. He's not been staying on it, he's been lounging around on here. There's one settee, two settees, quite spacious. If I stand here, you can see the table was in the middle, but I've moved it away because the kids and telly. The curtains, but look at these doors. These doors are amazing. Watch what happens. Look at that.
that gives you high performance.
Now that's amazing. Can open, let all this air in. It feels better already.
And the car. With no cords.
So you can see, Connor's been playing with his friends here. It's like a little, like a court. All the same gold apartments all around. And this is our bedroom. And Daddy just thrown the pillow on the bed. Didn't you, Daddy?
No.
Yes. Oh, and Kieran's been in here. There's a balloon. Yeah. Well, Kieran put chocolate all over the bed in there. And he's been in my makeup. Put makeup everywhere. So, there. Wardrobe. Brill. Little dressing table there. And you've got a little cupboard. Look what's in the cupboard. You have a hairdryer. Wow. Look at the telly. Not the biggest TV in the world, but you can still see it when you lie in bed, so that does not matter. Wardrobe. Wardrobe consists of an ironing board, safe, and coat hangers if you need them. How cool is that? It's like got everything. That's the design above the bed. Don't know why Daddy's put that pillow there. Best. Right, there's the bed, complete with makeup off Kieran's hands. All the colours are matching. It's all great. Where's Connor? All matching. Are you sure he's going to play in his bathroom? Again? No. Right. This is a cupboard. I suppose we could have put everything in there to clean up, but what's the point of cleaning up? We're on holiday. We do have a cleaner come round every day. Absolutely mint. I need to fetch the cleaner home with me. Shower. Amazing. Lovely shower. Toilet. Towel rails. Toilet roll. We even got a little gift bag with these in. Bath and shower gel. Shampoo and conditioner and antibacterial hand wash. I don't know where the shampoo and conditioner's gone. I think Kieran might have had that. That's our stuff. Electric plug socket, razors. Massive mirror. I need the mirrors. Look, cool. A bin, toilet. Kieran likes playing with toilets. He's a really strange child. And the thing about this towel rail here, it's actually heated. So you come out the shower and you've got really warm towels. Off the toilet brush. I know this is a tour with difference. This is why it's called family. Right? I hope you enjoyed the tour. And I'll see you all very shortly. Love you all.